Okay, so hello. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to download Sniffnet on a Linux machine. So I'm running a a Ubuntu machine on VirtualBox, and I'm gonna teach you how to use Sniffnet to monitor incoming networks into your machine. So what is Sniffnet? Sniffnet is an open source network monitoring tool that is created by this guy, and there are multiple contributors to this monitoring tools. So if you want to support them, you can sponsor this open source monitoring tool so they can develop it even more. So Sniffnet is a simple monitoring tool with very useful tools and services that we can use. So this is the UI of the machine, where the UI of the application, we can see the traffic that are going through and the network hosts that are available in the machine and the services that are running. So for our case, we want to download it in a Linux machine, so we download the package for Linux. So we would uh, click this button right here, and once it's completed, we can look at in our download folder, and this is the package that we have installed. And to install it, we can go to the terminal and go to the download directory, and we can depackage it using sudo package strip I, and the name of the package sniffnet.tb. Okay, and we'll ask for your sudo password, and we'll start downloading and unpackaging the package. So once it is downloaded, we can check in our applications if it is available. Just here, right here, this is the Sniffnet application. So to access it, you can just open the application, and it will prompt you to this page right here. So here we can select the network adapter that we want to inspect, uh, the incoming traffic going through it. So these are the available network adapters in my machine, in my local machine. And we can also choose what IP we want to filter out, if we just want to see IPv4 or IPv6 or the protocols like TCP, UDP, and ICMP. And we can also specify the IP address and the port of the IP address. And we can also export the result of the network monitoring. So yeah, so to start, we'll just select my default adapter, and it will start loading. So you just need to wait. Okay, okay, once it is loaded, now we can see uh, various informations from this page. So we can see the network adapter that we're currently inspecting, the link type of the network adapter, and we can choose what data we want to see as the representation. We can see the bytes that are incoming or outgoing or as packets. And and we can see the network hosts that are going through my machine, so my IP address and the website that are open in my Firefox, and also the service that are running, domain and HTTPS from the website. So yeah, this is very useful to see various kind of incoming traffic that are using our that currently using our network. And also there's another option which is inspect, which is a more detailed one. We can see all the available IP addresses, so the source IP address, which will be my machine local IP addresses, and also the destination of the uh, network traffic, the ports, and also the protocols, the service they're running, the bytes and packets. We can filter it by country, by the domain name or the system name, and also this, if you want to be specific, you can specify each of these options. You can also order it from biggest to lowest or vice versa. And yeah, this is a very helpful tool to see if there are any suspicious activity that are going through our network, and to see, just to see the activity that are going in your server maybe, or in your home network or office network. And also, and yeah, there's also a notification option where we can set up if a certain packet threshold is exceeded. So if there are heavy traffic coming or going through our network, we can get notifications, so we can see if there are any suspicious activity going on, or the reason why our network is very slow. We can know the exact reason, what service that is occupying the network, or we can also notify when new data are exchanged. So yeah, it is a very helpful monitoring tool to be safe, and also just to know about the activity in your network. You can also choose the styling and also the language of the application. So yeah, that's all for Sniffnet. Thank you for listening.